wasn't even there. He wasn't even there.
Hey, police department. Go ahead and drop everything, okay?
I'm waiting for my dad.
Okay.
No, it doesn't matter. You should leave right now.
Hey, drop everything.
This is my dad's store. He owns it.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he
Can you
does.
stop talking
Yes,
to
he
me?
does.
Hey,
I swear to God, you have to wait.
I will. Don't turn into me.
Please, let go.
Hey,
Let go. This is not celebrity.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come this way.
Down to the doorway here.
We can go back.
Hey.
We can go back.
Nope.
No, we're waiting for my dad. Stop.
Hang on. Hang on 1 second.
Let go. My dad owns the store. I'm not kidding. Look at it. Oh my gosh, you're hurting me. Stop. Stop. Look, please. Stop. Look.
Enough.
You guys are both assaulting me.
1 second. What happened?
Mama.
What happened? I need to know now.
Okay, shaking is...
Tell me what happened.
What? There's no machines you're allowed to touch me like this.
Stop that shit.
I'm
Okay,
calling
try to walk
Bridget.
back there. I asked her
Right now.
to get out of the place.
Dodgy.
Okay, did she make any attempt to pay?
Let go. It's okay.
Did she try to walk out the door?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. You're under arrest.
No, I did not.
Down to the ground. Down to the ground.
I know how much you lied.
Stop resisting.
Johnny Cochran.
Stop resisting.
Johnny Cochran.
Stop resisting.
Watch the cameras. They said, and I know that I did not walk out of the store. This is illegal.
You're under arrest.
No, don't listen to
Put
me.
your arms behind your back.
No, this is publicity.
And do it now.
No.
Stop.
Nope.
Put your hands
Let
behind your
go.
back.
There's two
do it
Terminators
now.
with me.
Put your arms behind your back. Okay.
Oh. Oh.
You're making this a lot harder than it needs to be, okay?
You're not real. My dad owns a store. That's not
Stop
a real
resisting.
Look. Let go. Stop resisting.
Hang on.
Oh. Oh. Ow.
Get your arm out. This is gonna hurt.
I need customers now. Where the f is the store owner? This should be here in a minute. There's nobody here watching this. This is illegal.
Okay, back towards you.
Nope, this is illegal. Navy? Navy, now!
Turn over.
You
Stop
said it.
resisting.
You know who I am?
Hey,
You're the United States President.
We're the police. You need to stop
You
resisting.
know who I am! Stop! This is illegal! Look, there's no other women. There's no men.
Stop resisting.
I swear to God, there's no men and women.
Roll over.
Ah!
Hang on.
There's no other heights.
What do you need? So
Let go!
okay, hang on.
Can you get your arm out?
Yep, I got this low.
Ow!
Arm out.
Federal police!
Go ahead.
This is federal
Let
police!
go of your own hair.
You good on the left arm?
Daddy, get away!
Get your arm out.
Get away!
Get your arm out.
Let go!
Get your arm out.
Yeah,
Get your arm out.
let go of your hair.
I'm trying! Let go!
Up. Get
In Tevins! No! No! Okay.
Got it?
Oh my God!
Get it? A little bit.
March your hand.
Yep. Go ahead.
Okay.
Everyone good?
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Right. So you're under arrest for shoplifting and resisting arrest.
There's no ice for you.
All right.
Yep. You got sharp elbows. Oh, thank you.
640. I'm sorry. 1133. Can you start the fire department just for a routine medical check for us?
Okay. All right. Pull your side. You first.
Yeah, let me hop right.
My dad, come here.
Hey, stop.
Ow!
You
My
stop.
dad!
You understand?
Whoa! Hey!
Don't grab me.
Don't grab anyone's hand.
Don't
Don't grab a hand. Don't grab a hand. Don't fight. Don't move. Do you understand? Which pocket?
You're the man here. Let go.
No. Okay, we'll sit up on your butt.
Yeah.
Sit up on your butt. You good here? I'm good.
Okay, I'll start that.
Stay there.
Please stop.
I will when you stop. Got it? After this?
You are assaulting me. I need to be standing
After
up.
this, we're going to stand up afterwards. Hold on. You good?
Yep.
Stand up.
Staff member, please.
Thank you. All right. I got an arm. You got an arm?
Yep.
We're going to walk.
Stop.
Pardon me, sir. When we get to the car, you're going to sit in the back seat. You understand me?
So I need to know out of all this, what is your property so we can deal with it?
All right, sir. That is our property.
Okay, hang on 1 second. This little holder here. Okay, hang on. We're gonna go through each individual one. We'll take some video. So here. Okay, so this like first aid kit. Okay. 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 Yep, it's a little fanny pack thing. Okay. Okay. These shoes right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Those are what she's wearing.
Okay. So she took them out of the box and put them on her feet.
Yes.
Okay.
Throw blanket here.
Okay.
All of this clothing that's not in
Okay.
this bag is ours.
Okay. We'll take all all this up front, and we'll go from there. Sorry. Apologize for making a mess in your store. Yeah, you want to gather up the property? We'll run it up front.
I need her back. Ow! My f***ing purse.
I know.
My
Walk
bike.
out the door. Walk out the
Please
door.
let go!
Walk out the door.
Please let
There you
go!
Stand up and walk.
Let
This is the
go.
car you're going to go in. No.
This
You understand?
is illegal.
No, it's not. You are under arrest. Hey. Stomping on me is going to get you
I
hurt.
get that. Let go. I'm not resisting, sir. Ma'am, you are supposed to be the only one touching me.
No, get in the car.
No.
No, I'm not. Get in
You
the
are
car.
going to get in the car. Put your feet in.
Okay, chill out for a minute, okay?
You don't exist.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't know if we're gonna get it.
After I take pictures, sir, if I can get you to run a receipt, we'll just scan it and then do like a void. Yeah, do like a void transaction. So I can just get a total. That's all. And this is. I want to confirm you realize we're body camera, so everything's audio visually recorded. I just want to make sure that you're aware of that. So I'm going to ask that you guys said you were willing to provide a statement about what occurred today. Can you tell me from start to finish, from when the young lady walked in the door up until this point, what occurred there, sir?
So she walked in the door. She had like a spray can or something in her hand. She said, "Is there trash?" I said, "Yeah." She set the can on the counter and made me throw it away. Whatever. And then she proceeded to walk around, grabbing stuff, starting to put things in her arms as if she's shopping.
Sure.
Had a cigarette in her mouth. Well, that's kind of weird,
Sure.
Most people don't just shop with a cigarette in their mouth.
Sure.
But then time goes on. She says she's waiting for her dad. We asked her if she needs help. I'll wait for my dad, waiting for my dad. More and more stuff in her arms, and then she starts getting closer to the door. And then Sean, the other employee in shoes, he comes up to me and he lets me know, he goes, "Hey, those gray and pink shoes, those are not her shoes.
Okay.
Her shoes are in the back. She took hers off and she's wearing those. She's going to steal those."
Okay.
At that
So the
point,
shoes she's wearing are not the shoes she came in with? Wait,
shoes she
not the shoes so the shoes that he was telling you she's wearing were not the shoes
not.
she walked in the store with?
Correct.
The shoes that she's wearing came from your store?
Correct. The
Okay.
gray and pink shoes came from the store. The shoes she came in wearing were black.
Okay. I got actually a question. Did you or any staff members give her permission to take those shoes out and exchange them the way she did and wear them? Okay.
After that, at that point, we kind of proceeded to call security.
Okay.
So we had a gentleman, he's not here anymore, but he was here.
Yep.
And he was monitoring her for a while.
Okay.
And at this point, it had been over an hour. She's
Okay.
been in the store waiting for her dad. And then eventually she starts to just try to leave.
Okay.
So at that point, I'm calling 911.
Okay. So if she's trying to leave, did she make any attempt to pay for the items that she had?
No attempt.
So she never came to the here. I need to pay for these items. How much? No attempt to do it. It was trying to go straight to the door.
Yep.
Okay.
She kept saying, "I'm waiting for my dad. I'm waiting for my dad. My dad owns the store." And well, you guys shut up.
Okay.
But for the most part, it was just useless wandering throughout that hour.
So I got to ask a couple questions just to make sure. So either you or none of the employees gave her permission to take items from this, to gather up items and leave the store without paying?
No, sir.
Okay. At no time did she ever make an attempt to pay for the items?
sir.
Okay. Never made an attempted transaction or anything like that?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Good.
The one time she came up here, she didn't even really try to pay for anything. She was looking at the food and stuff. And Jason, the manager, said, "Well, can you wait for your dad in your own shoes?"
Sure.
And she just kind of gave it was like murmur. It wasn't really English.
Okay.
It was just kind of gibberish. And then she continued walking around.
Okay. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. You too. Thanks, buddy.